Hello, jacket lovers and shirts fans. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jana and this is Curves on the Road. Today I have a SHEIN haul for you. Big surprise, right? I don't do those much. Well, yeah, I'm an addict, I admit it. And this time I have made a collection of jackets and shirts from SHEIN that I picked over some time, and I think they are very cute and I want to share them with you. The first piece I'm already wearing. I'm obsessed with the newspaper design and I want something gorgeous and fitting, but unfortunately this one did not deliver. This jacket is very well made. It's lined, it has a lining underneath, it has two buttons so you can button it up, and well, if you're bored somewhere you can just read the papers. The idea is there, but doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me. The arms are too small, there's zero stretch, and overall it makes me way too baggy. I don't know. It's quite long, it's down under my butt, so that's a good feature. But because of the arms, I can't have this one in my wardrobe. This is a hybrid between a cardigan and a jacket. It fits much better than the first one. It's still in the realm of black and white. You know, I have a soft spot since that jumpsuit about the hound's tooth. So this one is fine. It's still a little bit tight around my arms because there's generally no stretch, but it's better. It's wearable. I can see myself wearing this one. It is not lined. This one is, there is no lining in this one. It has no collar. So as I said, it looks more like a cardigan, but the material is more like a jacket. It's quite long. It goes down mid-thighs, which we really like. I like when the jacket hits quite low. There are just fake pockets, so no pockets, so sorry pocket lovers, nothing like that. And overall, not bad. Nothing I would die for, but not bad. My faithful viewers have probably already noticed this piece. I wore it as the elf in my video about the Christmas tree dress. It's really cool. It's a bit more on the costumey side for me, and I think it's because of the black lace around the seams. It's really short in the front, which, yeah, I mean, I'm not the biggest fan, but in here it's the purpose of the design, so I get it. And it's really, really long in the back, which I love. So in this way, I stand it. It's quite stretchy, so my arms are super comfortable. There is no problem with that. It can open up completely on a zipper. You can zip it up and zip it down. The zipper works nicely, and it's a metal one, so nicely made. And overall, again, it's a little bit more like from the past. But if you like retro pieces or you need it for some costume, it's a good one. When I saw it on the website, I thought it was a jacket and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. And it turned out to be a shirt, but still, oh my god, it's amazing. This one I particularly need. If you remember my videos about painting by numbers, I need some outfit that reflects my artistic soul. This one with the splashes of colors, oh, it's so cute. It's a shirt. It's the shirt material, no stretch, but the arms are okay. I'm in. I can move, I can paint, I can do gestures. So in this way, it has a pass. I can easily button it up if I ever wanted to. By the way, do you also have the problems with the buttons with SHEIN that they are really hard to do up? Maybe it's just my nails. But they are really, really cool. You can have it buttoned up, or what I really like, it's basically cut really high on the sides. So you have your butt still covered, and in the front, you can tie it in a little knot and be very, very artistic. I feel it. I like this one a lot. I recommend it. If you want to give all the people heads up that you're a tourist, wear this. I think nothing screams more I love traveling than this shirt. You will definitely see it in some of my videos about traveling or preparing for my travels, so you will definitely be quite familiar with this shirt. It has short sleeves, which we like, perfect for summer. It is the normal SHEIN shirt material, so don't expect like something wow, but it's not too bad. The only thing I don't particularly like is that it's white here, that it's really not lined at all, so when you open the collar out, the color kinda clashes, but it's fine. It has buttons to button up. They are teeny tiny, so it takes ages to do so. Otherwise, perfectly long, nice shirt, and I think all I'm missing is a camera around my neck to make the outfit complete. I'm currently here. See the green one with a little bit of the red, it's still ours. This is Czech Republic. So where are we going next? I have always been a fan of the Chanel aesthetic, but unfortunately Chanel doesn't do my size, so I have to survive with the dupes from SHEIN. This vest is gorgeous. It's perfectly structured. It's quite a thick material. It's not lined, but it doesn't need it. It actually doesn't ruin my waist. Normally, these vests, I don't wear it much because they don't cover my arms and they ruin my hourglass figure. But this one doesn't do it. And girls, it has pockets big enough to fit your phone. So, I mean, what can you ask for more? And the golden details, and they're not like into your face. There is some golden thread, but it's just gently there. You can wear it to the office or just around for dinner. Perfectly fine. Love this one. This little number is an evidence that you can get amazing materials on SHEIN. It's so soft. It's the softest thing I've ever worn. I swear if I found this material somewhere else on SHEIN, I would buy everything they make in it. I don't care, it's not my style. I don't care, it's not my size. It's so pleasant. I've never been so surprised with SHEIN quality. I found a similar one, of course not in my size, in the regular store, and I really wanted it, but it was like 100, 200 euros, while this one was 1/10 of it and is equally cute, velvety. I really love it. It looks better than I would ever imagine, and it has a fringe at the bottom. Summer will be here soon, and this cover-up just got me. It's so simple. It's basically just a piece of fabric that is attached to your wrist. But it's fashion. Come on, people. It's really cute. You can cover yourself up over a swimsuit, or actually, I wouldn't mind wearing it as this black and white combination, just even when it's not that warm out yet. I really love it. It's long, it's very long, it's pleasant to touch. Yeah, why not? This is the most amazing, gorgeous fashion jacket I have ever owned. It's a bit stretchy, so my arms are more than comfortable. The design, oh my god. Please let me know down in comments which designer made this. I know that it's a famous one, but I really forgot which one it is. The color scheme, all of it. You might have already probably noticed it in my video about stealing the painting from Mise Dorze. If you haven't seen that video, really do that. It's probably one of the best videos I've ever made and I really like it. So once you finish watching this one, you can put that in your library. It is not lined. It doesn't have the shoulder pads, which both is perfectly fine. It has one button to button it up if you need it. I usually just wear it open, but purely up to you. And it's long enough to go mid my thighs. So that's the whole haul about the shirts and jackets. Did you like it? If you did, why don't you give me one jacket thumb up? And you can subscribe to my channel. I upload every Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing rest of the day and bye!